gram by gram or ounce by ounce individually this time. I just know from last year's or the previous year's backpack where I've done that my backpack included about 2 pounds per day is about 3,700 calories per day. So it's going to be a bit of a cold trip for California standards anyway. So I have 7 ounces of cheddar cheese for 2 days. Fine. Former trips, cheese like this can't count on it to last a long time. Once again, the area is Lost Coast Trail and Looking Range Mountains. Big bag of cheese, it's a nice salty snack. It's not super small or even that calorie dense, it just tastes really good. It's just like a stick of salt and chemicals. Peanuts, tons of bars. Got like Rex bars, 3 Chewies, 3 mini Rexes, 2 Kirkland proteins, 1 meal replacement bar. Hopefully I don't have to eat that. Packet of tuna, cold soak container. Let's look at cold soak items. Pause by the garbage truck. Okay, for dehydrated items, we have 6 ounces of beans and approximately around maybe 2.5 ounces of barley. So cold soaked. So that's dinner. 1, maybe 2 days. For breakfast, typically I do oats. I want to be able to do a faster breakfast, and so I'm bringing slightly heavier, more processed, but just kind of yummy Pop-Tarts. I got 2 packages of those. Let's see what else for snacks. This is 6 ounces of raisins, nuts, almonds, and peanut M&Ms. Little container of hot sauce, electrolyte and caffeine solution, 6 pilot breads, 2 tea bags. These are all almond packages of almond butter that I got for free from a friend. So typically I wouldn't carry so much packaging, but they came this way, so I'm doing it. Same store with all these like fancy honey samplers. So just munch on those. 2 coffees just in case I'm in for 2 days. 2 Clip Shot energy gels, another Rex bar, random bar, some junk food items, and then a beer. So that's just under 6 pounds of food. Hopefully I'll end the trip with between around a pound of food. So let's say it takes 2 days and I have some extra food, that's where I'd be. It takes 3, I expect to eat all this food. So that's the food pack.